How to convert PowerPoint to PDF file in Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see how we can convert PowerPoint to PDF file. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open a PowerPoint application. And then now you can create a presentation. Tap on the plus icon from the top right corner. Now you can create a presentation. Once you're done creating your presentation, you can save this to your device. For that, tap on the three dot icon from the top right corner, then tap on Save As. Here you can choose your this device or OneDrive. For now, I will go with this device. Now select your folder. Once done, tap on Save from the bottom right corner. Now, if your presentation is already saved, now in order to share or to change it into a PDF, again, tap on the three dot from the top right corner. After that, you will have this option that says Share as PDF. Tap on it. Now, your PowerPoint presentation has been converted into PDF. There you can see .pdf, and then you can share this PDF to anyone through Drive, WhatsApp, or any other social media platform. So that's the way to convert PowerPoint to PDF file in Android. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.